हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गणिका's मैथ्स क्लासेस। स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 12 का चैप्टर 1 का टॉपिक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, फंक्शन को डिफाइन हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं और प्रीवियस वीडियो। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिफाइन सम स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन एंड ऑल्सो वी विल डिस्कस द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द फंक्शन हियर इन दिस वीडियो। लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन। द फंक्शन विच एसोसिएट द नंबर ए रेज टू द पावर एक्स, यानी कि अगर कोई फंक्शन इस टाइप का है जिसमें कोई यहाँ पर आपके पास न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है एंड जो वेरिएबल है वो पावर फॉर्म में है ए की पावर एक्स टू ईच रियल नंबर एक्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड द एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू ए रेज टू द पावर एक्स. In other words, we can say that a function f from R to R, that is from a set of real number to the set of real numbers defined by fx equal to a raised to the power x, where a is a positive number and it never be equals to 1, is called the exponential function. Means जब भी आपका variable power form में होगा, that function will be called the exponential function. Now we'll discuss the domain and range of this exponential function. The domain of this function, as we discussed, f is a function from R to R. So domain of this function is set of real numbers. And the range, this set R is a codomain of the exponential function, but the range of the function is always 0 to infinity. That is, it always attains only the positive value. It never attains the negative value, as we are taking a as a positive number. So this is the exponential function. The next function, which is a type of exponential function, which with the base 10, this is called the common exponential function. कि अगर आपने एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म जिसे हम कह सकते हैं एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन की वो डिफाइन कर दी, that will be written as e raised to the power x. Exponential function with the base 10 is called the common exponential function and it is denoted by e. A special type of exponential function is denoted by e and the value of e lies between 2 and 3. So the function is defined as f of x equals to e raised to the power x. Now next we are going to discuss here the logarithmic function. The logarithmic function is defined as f of x equals to log of x for all positive numbers x. You know that the log x is a number y such that a raised to the power is x. You can say that this logarithmic function is just the inverse of the exponential function. In the exponential function, x is written as a index of a real number, but when y is written as index of a real number, that function can be written in this form, that log of x equals to y, implying a raised to the power equals to y. This function is called the logarithmic function. Now domain and range. What will be the domain and range of the logarithmic function? So we can say that the domain of the logarithmic function is set of all negative, non-negative real numbers, that is 0 to infinity, and the range of the logarithmic function is set of all the real number. As we discussed, the logarithmic function is just as inverse of exponential function. Even we will discuss the inverse function earlier, हम बाद में बताएंगे आपको. Still we can say that कि जो exponential function की range है, that was 0 to infinity, वो logarithmic function की domain होगी, and जो domain of the exponential function थी, that will be the range of a logarithmic function. So in this way we define the exponential function and the logarithmic function. Now we are going to discuss the most important concept of the function, that is a classification of function. So let us start with the brief definition of a function. A function f from a to b, where f associates all the elements of set A to the elements of set B, and each element of set A is associated to a unique element of set B. In other words, we can say that f is a function or a rule which associates the elements of a set A to the elements of set B. Again we are saying that कि each element of set this, यानी first set का कोई भी element यूनिक एलिमेंट ऑफ बी के साथ अटैच होगा, एसोसिएट होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in this arrow diagram we can see that 1 image of 1 is A, image of 1 is B, image of 2 is C, image of 4 is D. In the next arrow diagram, we can see that image of A is 1, image of B is 2, image of C is 2, image of D is 4. Okay, we can say that this is a function, this is not a function, and this is a function. But how we can define it is a function or not? We can say that we have already discussed the definition. In the definition, we said that each element of this set A is associated to a unique element of set B. Here, one has two images as A and B. But in this arrow diagram, we can say that we can see that even two elements have the same image. In this, a single element have two images, but here two elements have a same image. So it can be possible. This can be a function. This is a function even, but this is not a function as a single element have a single image, but two elements can have the same image. If we write this function as an ordered pair, 1a, 1b, 3c and 4d. So if we write this function in this set form, in the form of ordered pair, then we can say that no two ordered pair have the same first component if f is a function. Clear? So we can say that here f is not a function as the two ordered pair have the same first component. But this f is a function as if we write this in the form of ordered pair, we can see that all the ordered pair having the different first component, कि हर ordered pair का पहला component जो है वो different है. So this is a function and this is not a function. Now starts with the classification of function. First one is into function. We will define all the kinds of the function in this way. Into function. Number one, a function f from x to y is said to be a into function. कि कोई भी function आपको f given है, हम उसे into function कब कहेंगे? If there exists at least one element y belongs to y which has no preimage in the set x. In simple words, we can say that कि इस set में कोई एक element ऐसा बच जाए जिसके लिए आपको x में कोई pre-image ना मिले, as we can see in the arrow diagram. This arrow diagram shows that this f is a into function as 1 has preimage A, 2 has preimage as B and 4 has preimage as C. But a single element is there, 3, that has which has no preimage in the set X. There may be more elements which do not have any preimage in X. That function can be called a into function. But one thing I can to say that no element in the X should be left without any image. कि X में, इस X सेट में, पहले सेट में कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जिसकी इमेज ना हो, बट Y में कोई एक एलिमेंट ऐसा रह सकता है जिसकी कोई प्री इमेज ना हो. This is called a into function. Next we are going to define onto function. Onto function. A function f from x to y is said to be an onto function. कि आपको कोई function given है x set से y set पर, आप उसको onto function कह सकते हैं if every element y belongs to y has at least one pre-image. कि y set में हर element ऐसा हो जिसकी कम से कम एक pre-image हो. You can see in this arrow diagram, a element 3 in the set y has two pre-images. It may be happen, ऐसा हो सकता है. It is possible as we discussed by the definition of function कि two elements have the same image. So for the onto function कि y set में कोई भी element ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जिसकी pre image ना हो. At least one image should be there. So f from x to y is an onto function if and only if for each y belongs to y कि second set में हर element के लिए आपको एक x जो है वो x सेट में मिलना चाहिए, इस सेट में एक एलिमेंट मिलना चाहिए such that fx equals to y. This onto function is also called surjective function. We can say that this function is surjection. In an onto function, we can see that all the elements have their pre-images. Means the range of f or the codomain of f is same. So we can write it here. Range and codomain are same for the onto function. The next function we are going to define here is 1 function, that is called injection. A function f from x to y is said to be a 1 function. कि कोई function अगर आपको given है, आप उसे 1 कब कहेंगे? If different element of x have different images in x. Means कि x के हर element के लिए आपको एक different image ही मिलनी चाहिए. As we discussed in the onto function कि two elements have the same image. But for the 1 function, as by the name 1 हर element की अपनी अपनी image होनी चाहिए. कि अगर कोई एलिमेंट्स की इमेजेस अलग अलग हैं तो फंक्शन में जो वैल्यूज होंगी एक्स की वो भी अलग अलग होंगी. और अगर वैल्यूज इक्वल नहीं है तो फंक्शन पर वैल्यू भी उनकी इक्वल नहीं होगी. Again we are going to read it here. A function f from x to y is said to be a 1 function 1 if different element of x have different images in x की x के हर एक element के लिए y की एक अलग ही image होनी चाहिए. No two different element of x have the same image in y. This concept is very important for the exercise 1.3 and it is very important for the exam point of view. कि आपको पेपर में क्वेश्चन आता है कि आपको प्रूव करना होता है कि 1 फंक्शन कौन सा है to show that or determine that. So जो by way of proving function is 1 or not, so we will prove it as this f from x to y is a given function that is 1 if and only if, या implying कि अब अगर fx equals to fy है then x must be equals to y. यानी अगर किन्हीं दो पॉइंट्स पे फंक्शन की वैल्यू सेम है तो वो दोनों पॉइंट्स भी सेम होने चाहिए. फॉर ऑल एक्स वाई बिलोंग्स टू दिस सेट x की इस x के दो एलिमेंट पे अगर फंक्शन की वैल्यू सेम आ रही है तो वो पॉइंट्स भी वो वैल्यूज भी सेम होनी चाहिए. और वी कैन से दैट इफ दो वैल्यूज अलग अलग हैं तो फंक्शन पर भी उनकी वैल्यू अलग अलग होनी चाहिए. सो we can say that no two different element of x have the same image in y. As we can say, we can see in the arrow diagram, we have the two sets x and y. F is defined from x to y in such a way. Image of A is 1, image of B is 3, image of C is 4, image of D is 2. So all the elements of x have the different images in y. No two different elements of x has a same image. This function is called 1 function. In other words, we can say that this function is an injective function. We said the onto function as surjection and 1 function as injection. Next we are going to discuss here many one function. As by the name many one, many से 1 में जाना है आपको. Let us read the definition. A function f from x to y is said to be a many one function if two or more, many means two or more elements of x have the same image in y. कि x के कम से कम दो elements की same image होनी चाहिए. many से 1 में जाना है, x के दो element कम से कम ऐसे हों जिनकी same image आपको मिले. You can see in this arrow diagram we have two functions, we have two sets x and y, a, b, c, d. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Image of A is 2, image of B is 3, image of C is 4 and again image of D is 3. We can say that f of B and f of D both are equals to 3. So by the name it is clear that many one, many से 1 में जाने की definition है ये, many से 1 में जाने का function है. So this is called many one function. Now we are going to discuss 1 into function. Earlier we discussed into function, onto function, 1 function and many one function. Now we will read the composition of two function. दो functions को combine करके हम explain करेंगे, define करेंगे. So first one is 1 into function. If a function f from x to y is 1 एंड इनटू कि अगर कोई फंक्शन वन वन को भी डेफिनेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, इनटू की फंक्शन डेफिनेशन को भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, देन दैट फंक्शन विल बी कॉल्ड वन वन एंड इनटू. If you remember, for 1 1 we have already discussed no two different element of x have the same image. So we can see in this arrow diagram x has 3 elements a b c and सबकी images different है. Also for into function there is an element 4 in the set y which has no preimage in x. So this is 1 1 and into function. The next we are going to discuss here is 1 1 onto function. I have written it as also bisection. The common name for the two functions for both the function is bisection. As we discussed, 1 1 is said to injection and onto is said surjection. So the common name for the two function is bisection. You know that bi stands for two in mathematical language. So bisection is 1 1 and onto. The two functions are combined here. So let us start with the definition. If the function f from x to y is 1 1 and onto, कि अगर कोई फंक्शन 1 1 की डेफिनेशन को भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, onto की भी कंडीशंस को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, then f is called the 1 1 and onto function. In other words, we can say that if a function f from x to y is called bisective if fx equals to fy, implying x equals to y. कि अगर फंक्शन की दो पॉइंट्स पर वैल्यू सेम है तो दो पॉइंट्स भी सेम होने चाहिए. लाइक इट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ 1 1 and also for onto for all y belongs to y, then there exists x belongs to x such that fx equals to y. means कि y सेट में जो एलिमेंट्स हैं हर एलिमेंट की अपनी एक डिफरेंट इमेज होनी चाहिए. और ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि y सेट में कोई एक एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं बचना चाहिए जिसकी कोई प्री इमेज ना हो. यू कैन सी इन दिस एरो डायग्राम in the set x we have a b c d, in the set y we have 1 2 3 4. As by the arrow we can see that the image of a is 1, image of b is 2, image of c is 4 and image of d is 3. कि x के हर एलिमेंट की अपनी अलग इमेज है एंड y सेट में कोई एलिमेंट ऐसा पेंडिंग नहीं है जिसकी कोई प्री इमेज ना हो. सो दिस फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड 1 1 and onto function. The common name for 1 1 and onto is bijective function. So this is very important from exam point of view. The next one we are going to define here many one into function. A function which is many one, many to one and into. This is called many one into function. As we can see in this arrow diagram, कि two function have the same image, so function is many one and in the y set we have element 4 which has no pre-image in x. So this is into कि जो many one की भी definition को satisfy करे and into की definition को भी satisfy करे, that function is called many one and into function. The last one function is many one and onto function. The function which is many one and onto is called the many one onto function. So define it here as if the function f from x to y is many one as well as onto is called the many one onto function. Each element of y has at least one pre-image according to the definition of onto and according to the definition of many one की many to one में चलना आपने कम से कम दो elements की आपको एक image मिलेगी. Just have a look in this arrow diagram. Image of A is 1, image of B is 2, image of C is again 2, image of D is 3. So two elements have the same image. So this is many to one and no element in the y is left which has no pre-image in set x. So it is onto. So this function is called many one onto function. So in this way we define the classification of the function.